Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. Another in the series, guys. Let's go. Remember, you're encouraged to try the questions before you watch the solution. So pause the video, do it, put it in the comment section. Alright, so this says simplify 3p squared times 4p squared. This is what we call 4p to the fifth, rather. This is what we call 3 marks in the examination, guys. All you have to do is to multiply the numbers. So you multiply 3 times 4. That's the first step. Next, we multiply the same letters, which is p squared. So we're going to multiply p squared by p to the fifth. Alright, so everybody should know 3 times 4 is 12. How do we deal with this part? Now we have p to the square times p fifth. So all we have to do, the rule states that we should add them, but I'm going to show you why we should add them and not multiply them. So our final answer would be 12p to the 7th. Let me just show you why. So say you have p squared times p fifth. And I'm not just thinking about this question, I'm thinking about other questions that you might get. P squared means p times p, right? And it's the same thing for p5. It means p multiplied by itself 5 times. So you multiply, so 5 times, so that's 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, it would be p 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, p raised to the 7th. Alright? So whenever the base is the same, we add the powers, meaning the small number that it is raised. Alright? So we have gotten the full marks for that. Let's proceed. Let me see how many marks that was valued. That was 1 mark. So everyone should be able to get that 1 mark in the examination. This one says 3x divided by 4y to the third divided by 21x squared over 20y squared. So just like with the normal fraction, when we're dividing, we reciprocate, this would be the same procedure. Alright, so let's get right to it. So the rules state that we write back the first fraction, which is this. So let's do that. It would be 3x. If you're not subscribed, honestly guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go on right now and subscribe to the video go along, right? So put our division first. I'm gonna kind of show you guys all the steps. Now guys, we have 28 days left for the examination. Show that you join my marathon, or anybody, not my one alone, anybody I keep marathon, guys. It will be beneficial to you. Alright? So what the rules state? The rules state that we write back the first fraction. So we're going to write back the 3x over 4y cubed. Change the division to multiplication. And then we reciprocate. So it's going to get 20y squared up the top. Very important. Students tend not to reciprocate at times. Please ensure so you do that. You see me? Alright. So now we can cancel, right? We can cancel top versus base and so on, even crossway, alright? So I'm gonna choose to do the 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 20 goes 5 times. Now we have y2, y3, so we're gonna subtract, so 2 will cancel out, and this will leave y to the 1. Alright, cool. To deal with the x now, 3 into itself, 1, 3 into that, 7. X would cancel because it's only 1x, and this would leave 1x. So we have to look carefully now. So we had cancelled out. So up the top, we only have 5y. And then we have y, 7, and x. So we can just say 7. Oh, we cancelled out all the y, man. Y was cancelled, so it's 5 alone. So y2 had left y1, so 7x y. So let me remove this y because you cancel. Let me show you the alternate. So this is 5 and 7 over x 7xy. Let me show you the alternate. We could multiply, so we could say 3 times 20, which is 60 xy squared. So we could just multiply across numerator by numerator. Same thing, 4 times 21, 4 ones 4, 4 twos 8, so that's 84. And then we have y3 x squared. So you'd have x squared y to the third. So we could use 12 to cancel down. 12 into this 5 times, 12 into this 7, right? So we get the 5, 7 already, you see? Alright, we have x, that gone, so 1x leave. We have y2, that cancel, we have y1. So you'd have gotten the same answer, 5 over 7xy. Hit the like button for that, guys. Hit the like button for that to show your appreciation, man. Let's go, let's go. Guys, relax. Don't need to worry about Cxc. Just preparation, just preparation. Alright? This one says, solve the equation 3 over 7x minus 1 plus 1 over x is equal to 0. So I did this on my live yesterday. I didn't reach to this extreme, but yeah, it was good, guys. It was really good. So let us handle this as a remediation. So what we have to do is to find the LCM, that's the lowest number that all of these can go into without leaving a remainder. And of course, we can literally use this as the product as the LCM. So I'm going to do that. So we have 7x minus 1. When we divide 7x minus, I'm going to show this step. Just consider this, guys. So we have 7x minus 1 times x. I'm not going to write it up the side because it takes up a lot of space. So let me just show you here. So what we do, we divide this into this. So this would cancel out, leaving x. So we just multiply 3 by x. Same thing with this, x into this, we're going to leave the 7x minus 1. So if we just write the 7x minus 1. Of course, we're going to multiply this by 0, but anything times 0 would give you 0. So we don't even need to write back this. But let me just show, because I don't want persons to not understand this step. So we're still going to get the 0. Alright? So now we multiply 3 times x, which is 3x. So go on with this. Alright, so it's 3 times x, that's 3x, and then we multiply everything by 1 now. So 1 times that will give us positive 7x. And of course, this now would be minus 1. But all of this works out to 0. So boom, 3x plus 7x will give us 10x minus 1. Why we get 10? Add the like terms. X and x you can add x and x, you can add y and y, you can add a and e, you can add b and b, you can add c and c, you can add d and d. Alright, because they are the same letters. Can't add a and b though. Remember, that's the first rule in algebra. Alright, so we carry over this one, or take the inverse. We're a mathematician, we're not supposed to say carry over. Take the inverse, so we plus 1, and we have 1 over here also. Right? So I'm going to add 1 to the 0. I'm going to show that step. Because remember, it's an equation. So whatever you do for one side, you have to do to the next side. So because we added 1, we also need to add 1 to this portion over here. So for the 0, it's going to be 0 plus 1. Alright, there we go. So now we have 10x. And the very final step now is to divide by 10. So you can get rid of the number or the coefficient of x. So this now becomes 1 over 10. And there we have it, x is equal to 1/10. For those who want to join my math marathon, I'm going to put my number here and you guys alert me, alright? This is the number. And you guys should know my name. It's the same name as my YouTube channel, same name on my TikTok. Lennox. 876-549-2161. Alright, so guys, alert me and we will definitely talk. Thanks for watching. Let's go. Alright guys, I said when a number x is multiplied by 2, the result is squared to give a new y. Okay. So when x is multiplied by 2, the result is squared to give a new number y. Alright, so let's do that. So if we're going to multiply x by 2, that's just 2x, right? And then they said this give you and the result is squared. So we have to square the result. So that will be 2x squared. Okay, cool. Express y in terms of x. So they want the value of x. So when a number x is multiplied by 2, the result is squared to give a new number y. So alright, so what they want, y would be this. 2x times 2x, that would be 4x squared. So technically, this would be the value of y. Alright. How much more that is doing? Let me go back up and see. One more. So it wasn't that hard. Alright, now they say now determine the two values of x that satisfy the equation y equal x and the equation derived in C1. Alright, so we have to go back up to determine two values that x equal y. So if we're going to solve for x now, x is also equal to this. So x is also equal to 4x squared. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And that will give me a 0. So we have 4x squared minus, I this stuff right. Zoom it tripping, you know. So that is equal to 0. I'm thinking I should factor out the x from here. So factor out x, then divide. So this now will give me 4x. X into x minus 1. And then I equate both of them to 0. So x is equal to 0. That's one of the options. And then we solve for this in the bracket, which is 4x minus 1 equals 0. So you add 1 to both sides. So 4x equal to positive 1. Because remember, you're going to take the inverse of minus 1, which is plus 1. And then now we divide by 4. So the two options are 0 and a quarter. Alright guys, so those who want to join my math marathon, I should have put the answer down here. So yeah, so that you'd have gotten 9 marks for that, guys. Do you guys think you could get all 9 marks for that? Leave it in the comment section. And if you want to join my math marathon, this is my number and my name is Lennox Bennett. I put it up this a while ago. 876-549-2161. Alright guys, look out for more videos. Could you guys type where you're watching it from? Just leave a comment. Alright, that's very important to me. Leave a comment where you're watching from. Thanks for listening to my out. I'll see you guys in another video.